Yo, brother, looking for a powerful Hestinger promo code that actually delivers the biggest savings? Stick with me because I am about to show you how to get the highest discount possible. Using my personal referral code gives you a generous extra 20% off, whereas normal coupon codes usually cap out at just 10%. That's a huge difference when you're paying for hosting. I've added my exclusive 20% hosting a referral code in the video description, specially tailored for every country with correct local pricing and language. Simply pick the one for your region and click through. You'll be taken straight to Hostinger's official site. From the main menu, tap on Products and Services. Browse through all the available hosting solutions. My referral discount is valid across the entire range, from shared hosting to premium VPS and everything in between. Let me demonstrate with the popular self-managed N8N hosting plans. You have four powerful options: KVM1, KVM2, KVM4 and KVM8. Today I am choosing the KVM2 plan for its excellent performance and value. Proceed to checkout and watch how my 20% discount gets applied automatically. No extra steps needed. If you manage to score this extra saving thanks to this video, please hit the like button and subscribe so you never miss future deals. Appreciate you, brother.